Hey guys, it's me again, Miss African Beauty. If I tell you, say I love you, oh, boom, boom. Yes, girl, so I'm back with another clothing haul. Well, not a clothing haul, but an unboxing of some more, yes, you guessed it, Fashion Nova stuff. Yes, girl, you know your girl's getting addicted to this Fashion Nova website. So let me just show you guys the stuff that I got. So here's the bag. I opened the bag already, but I didn't open the stuff that are in the packaging because I just wanted to see it. I got the package yesterday, and I just wanted you guys to see my first reaction. So, like I usually do, I'm gonna open the stuff with you. So this is the first thing. As you can see, I didn't open the plastic. Folded perfectly like it was in it. So you guys are gonna see with me what. How do I even open this? Oh, I have to rip it. Okay. Okay. Feels nice. It's just this two-piece outfit. You know spring's about to come in and your girl about to rock those shorts. Yes, girl. It's like this kind of off-the-shoulder top. It's like a crop top. It's called the Dream Set in gray. It comes with this top and this little shorts. It's in a size extra large. Might look small to you, but girl, I checked the material, so it had a stretchy material. So these are just the shorts. And this is the top, and I think this is super cute, like just for like a chill springish, like a hot spring day, just even like with like a jean jacket over this, or tie like a shirt around your waist. I think this is a cute little two-piece outfit, and that's that. I got another two-piece outfit. Where is it? Okay, it's this one. It's called a Human Nature set. I never got any sets from Fashion Nova, so like let me just get like a few two-piece sets and see how it goes. It comes with these shorts, which has a little frill at the top. Back's just like that. And it comes with this top. I was a little bit worried about the top because you know the top part is a little bigger on me, so I'm not sure. Well, this is the top. It just ties in the front, and it's an extra large. Doesn't really have much stretch, but I think it could fit because I can just make the tie part a little bit more loose, and I'm sure it can fit me. So that's a cute little outfit. You know spring's coming, so I gotta prepare. You know it's time, you gotta go out, you got nothing to wear. So that's that two-piece set. Just comes with the shorts and this cute little top, and it's called Human Nature Set. So that's that. Also, I didn't get any skirts from Fashion Nova. So I saw this cute, what do you call it, coral, orangey type of color skirt. And it looks so cute. So I said, you know what, let me get this skirt. Because, you know, orange always looks good on us melanin colored people, you know. So I don't really have orange stuff. So I said, let me get an orange skirt. And this is an extra large. Okay. It looks small, but it has stretch on the waist. You see? And it has like this like fringe type of detailing on the waist, which I think it looks kind of cheap, I can't lie. Like, look at it. In the picture, it looked like more detail, and it has a little bit distressing at the bottom, but this distressing looks like they just poked a damn hole in it. Like, look at this. Look at this. Like, you can see, like, they just took, like, some scissors or something to make this, like, look at this. Like, this is just a damn hole. Like, in the picture, oh my god, the picture, it looks so cute, but in person, I don't know. We'll have to see how it looks when it goes on, but the color is also cute. And I think you could also use this like as a tube top if you wanted to. Yeah, because no one could tell the difference because it's just so simple, you know? Hopefully it will look good when I try it on, and stay tuned for my try-on haul, which will most likely be my next video, but I don't have time to do that today. So I said, let me show you guys stuff that I got because I just wanted to open the stuff and I wanted you guys to see my first impression. So I just did that now. Okay, so let's show you guys the next thing that I got. Also, I never got any bodysuit, so I said, let me try out Fashion Nova bodysuits, girl. And I saw this cute one. It's like, what do you call it? I think it's like those race car type of, you'll see what I'm talking about. You see? Like a racer girl, race type of girl. So they say something speedway, so it has to do with cars. I thought it was so cute, and I see these type of tops are in, or dresses are in. So I saw it in a bodysuit, and I said, let me get this. And it's called the Aroma. Yeah, it's called Aroma and it's in white. But what really sold me on this bodysuit is the back. Like the back is see-through. Yes, girl, you know me already. Like I'm not really the t-shirt type of person, but the back just sold me. And it's a bodysuit. You see the bottom has a little clippy thing. The back has a little clippy thing. And I love these type of tops because they actually stay down. Like me, I'm always pulling up my shirt, tucking my shirt, you know. But these tops really work for me, and I think bigger girls too. And I got this in a 2X because the material wasn't that stretchy, and you know my top part is bigger, so I wanted it to fit good. And I think this is a good size. I don't know if I told you guys the other size. Yeah, I did. The other stuff I got all in extra large, but this top I got on 2X, and I would say go up in a size or two with this top because I got to 2X, and this top looks like it's gonna just fit me like exactly. It does have stretch, but depends how tight you want it. But I wanted it to fit like a t-shirt kind of, but also still stay down, you know. I thought it was a cute little top. Oh, what the hell? Was it made like this or did it just rip? Oh hell no. I'm gonna have to check that picture and see if this ripped. Could possibly be made like this because I don't remember. But I don't know. I hope not. Oh well, I'll just work with it, make a style. You know me already. I ain't bringing nothing back. Okay, last but not least, I bought a denim jacket. Yes, girl, a denim jacket. Because I want to get some different stuff from Fashion Nova. I'm just getting dresses. I have so many dresses. I said I need some other regular stuff I can wear like on a daily. You're not gonna be wearing a dress every day, especially those short mini dresses that I bought. So I said let me get a denim jacket. So I got this denim jacket. It's called the ruffled up denim jacket in medium wash. I got it in a 2X, and it just looks like a plain denim jacket in the front. I don't have any denim jackets. I only have a black one, but this one I thought was so cute because look at the back. For real. Oh my god, I love the color. Like it looks like it's like from the like 90s, you know, back in the day. It looks a little bit retro, but I just love the back and I love the detailing on the arms part. So that really what caught me to this jacket. And I got it in 2X because they know denim is a stretch, and I believe it's gonna fit me. So I'm happy I got in 2X. So if you're trying to get this jacket, girl, do not get your size up like at least twice, you know, because usually you don't want your denim jackets to fit like tight. You want to be able to close them, still have room. So I'm so happy I got this in the 2X, and it's called the ruffled up denim jacket. Super cute. And I got one more thing actually. Yes, I've been seeing this, like every girl's been getting this. It's called a butt lifter. Yes, and Fashion Nova had them, so I'm like, let me try a butt lifter because I need a little bit of back there, you know, like all of us girls most times do. So this is it. It's a butt lifter. I got it in a size extra large. I hope it's my size. I don't know, but I wanted to try it out. So maybe I'm gonna try it on, let you guys see what it looks like, and you can see if it makes a difference or not. But I got this butt lifter. Let me show you guys what it looks like. Come in a bag like this. I just pray it's my size, you know. Okay, it has some stretch. Just looks like this in the front. The back looks like this. Has these two holes, so I guess your, you know, goes in there. And yeah, I think it will fit me. Pretty stretchy. And yeah, that's basically the butt lifter. So most likely I'm gonna make a video trying on dresses with this on so you guys can see and tell me if you think, is it make sense to wear this or is it like a fail? So yeah, stay tuned for that video. Also, I don't know which video is gonna come first, the video with me wearing this or the Fashion Nova stuff that I got haul, but stay tuned for both. Thanks again for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe, like hit the subscribe button please, like right now, because you know you're gonna be bringing you those videos back to back. Yes girl. So yeah, thanks again for watching. Thank you to all the people, all my new subscribers. You know I love you. Yes girl. And yeah, stay tuned again for watching, and bye.